Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March the 6th, 2019, and I want to give you an update on some of my parsley plants here. Now here's two of them. I have other packs of parsley elsewhere, and they have their true leaves, so it's time to start feeding them. I will also be showing you how to feed your sage seedlings. My sage did germinate and sprout for me, so I will also be showing you in this video how to feed that as well. So there's two ways you can feed your parsley. You can feed it with a product called Sea Magic, which is an organic product. I will have a link down in the description for that. Or you could also feed it with Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food, and that's what I'm going to be using on these right here. And I use 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water. You never want to feed a dry plant because you can burn the root systems on it. And I'm going to be feeding them once a week with this. So we'll be right back. Okay, so I have my Miracle-Gro already mixed up. I'm just going to dump some over the soil here. This one back here. And some of my parsley seeds are still germinating, so I'm making sure I keep the soil nice and moist. And I'm going to let that drain out there. And my sage did come up for me. It came up on February the 27th. So I'm going to actually be feeding this today because it has its true leaves coming out on it, which are right here. And now there's two different ways you could feed this. You can feed it with a product called Sea Magic, which is an organic product, or you can feed it with Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. And you want to take 1/4 teaspoon of the Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food to a gallon of water, and that's what I'm going to be using to feed this one here today. So I have my little watering can here, and I'm just going to give it some water here. And you never want to feed a dry plant, so my soil is nice and moist. And I will feed these once a week with this. And this will help to develop a strong, healthy root system on our plants, which is what we want. Now, so far only one of these have come up for me, so I'm not too pleased with the germination rate on these. I am still keeping the soil nice and moist because the other ones, they can still germinate and come up, but so far only one has come up. So I'm going to be putting this under the light. It's finished draining, and I'm going to be putting it back under the light. So my light is on for 14 hours a day, and I do have a fan down here running. I actually turned it down so I could do the videos, and that helps to keep the airflow, and it also helps to give the air exchange. Your plants take up the carbon dioxide and they release oxygen back into the air, so you need to make sure that you have a nice airflow flowing for them, and that helps make your plants sturdier, and it also helps to keep diseases down. It keeps your leaves dry. So I really recommend running a fan down. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I will have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.